Still tracking what could become the first tropical system of the season. Yeah, pretty interesting. So let's talk about it. Here we go. There we are in the Midlands, and as we come a little farther south, notice there's some action down here in and around the Bahamas, and it looks like somewhere right in here we'll be looking at a low little storm developing overnight tonight and into Wednesday. Now, the big issue is, where does it go from there? Now, there are two tracks that it could go on, basically two. One would be relatively far south, heading in toward the middle part of South Carolina. The other would be tracking farther to the north. Now, I will tell you, right now, it looks most likely that this will track farther to the north, and if it does that, this is roughly what things would look like in terms of the rain. Notice Columbia, we're getting next to nothing as we go over the next 4 days, a little bit out of this, but the real action is up here toward Wilmington, Myrtle Beach, in that general area. Now, the other trajectory could be a little bit farther south. Now, if that's the case, then you're looking at a pretty good storm from Charleston to Myrtle Beach and a fair amount of rain, even pushing upwards of 3 inches, out here in the PD and in toward Charleston, even into Manning. Now, it's a little too early to say exactly what track it's going to be on, although at this point I'm leaning toward the one which would take it farther to the north. That said, it really doesn't matter if you're at the beaches. This thing ripping along the coast is going to cause significant rip currents, high surf, wind, and rain. Some rain or a lot of rain. Okay, so that's the way things look right now. Continue to keep you updated as we work our way closer. Now, this storm will get going on Wednesday as it looks, and once it gets going, we'll really have a better idea as to where it's headed. So please stay tuned.